Hi, Chris here from MoneyCoach, and today we're gonna learn how we can use MoneyCoach and some of its features to help us save money and achieve our goals and dreams. In our case, we're gonna create a new SMART goal for a PS5. We enter the PS5 details as the goal amount, we select the goal date for next month, and we select a beautiful picture to remind us of something we don't have. After we save the goal, we can enter and check the details. Here, MoneyCoach lets us know that we need to save 17 euros every day, and in 29 days we can afford a PS5. But what if we have saved since January 1st? Now, let's say that monthly you spend 500 euros for food. But what if you've spent 400 for the last 5 months? That would mean you have saved each month 100 euros. So let's create set budget. Food, we enter the amount, 400. We enter a cool emoji. Then we select the categories, so we can track only the food category. Then we select the start date, and as we said, we're gonna select January 1st. Now, if we save the budget and enter to see its details, now if we check the past months, we can see that we have saved 100 euros. So 100 euros, February, January, 5 months, we have saved 500 euros, which is the amount for the PS5. Now, let's go back to the SMART goal of the PS5. We enter the details and we make a deposit. We enter the amount of 100 euros and tap Next. Then we switch to the Repeat tab, we turn it on, and we say that this transaction or deposit has started since January 1st. And if we save it, we see that we have already succeeded to save enough money to buy a PS5. Now we just tap the Achieve Goal button, and that's it. You can use this method to save money for anything you want to achieve, be that a new console, new iPhone, new laptop, vacation, etc. I hope you enjoyed this short tutorial. Let us know what you think in the comments down below and subscribe to our channel. Thanks!